Hi guys, my name is Priya and welcome back to my YouTube channel Bombastic Words. In today's video, we are diving into some quick and easy English grammar tips that will help beginners improve their language skills. Whether you are just starting out or looking for a refresher, these tips are sure to make grammar less intimidating. So let's jump right in. Tip number 1. Subject-verb agreement. Our first tip is all about subject-verb agreement. Remember, the verb in a sentence needs to match the subject in terms of number. For example, she eats and they eat. It's that simple. Tip number 2. Using a and an. Next up, let's talk about when to use a and an. Use a before words that start with consonant sounds, like a cat. Use an before words that start with vowel sounds, like an apple. Easy, right? Tip number 3. Basic sentence structure. Understanding basic sentence structure is key. It's usually subject, verb, object, like I love pizza. Keep it in mind to build clear and concise sentences. Tip number 4. Using there is and there are. Tip number 4 focuses on there is and there are. Use there is for singular nouns like there is a book on the table, and use there are for plural nouns like there are books on the table. Tip number 5. Past, present and future tenses. Tenses can be tricky, but remember, past is for something that already happened. Present is for something happening now, and future is for something that will happen. For example, I ate, I eat, and I will eat. Tip number 6. Contractions. Contractions like it's for it is and there for they are help you sound more natural, but be careful not to confuse them with possessives like it's and there. Tip number 7. Pluralizing nouns. Pluralizing nouns is as simple as adding s in most cases. Cat becomes cats, dog becomes dogs. Just remember the exceptions like child becoming children. And there you have it. 7 quick and easy English grammar tips for beginners. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using these tips in your daily conversations and writing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more language tips. I'll be back super soon. Till then, stay tuned.